Hi viewers, welcome to BSC Voice. Yeah, it is out of routine. So we have been on the series of our college passed outs, and today I'm coming with the person who has great passion and great aspirant to become the film director. Of course, everyone wants to become a film director. It is difficult to get realized and entering the field. It is really somewhat a very tough job to enter the film industry, but that kind of industry is being chosen by our Savit Chandra, who's from our Vijayawada, and who's finished his engineering also. Generally, after getting into engineering, the dreams of the students is getting placed in the best MNCs and getting packages and going abroad and earning money, settling over there or coming back. So these are all the dreams. But Savit Chandra is one of the personalities here. We can see his dream is totally different. Though he got the opportunity working in TCS for so many lakhs of rupees per annum, but just he left for the passion. So if this kind of passionate people are there, everybody can get realized their dreams. Out of his passion, he started making the short movies also. Short movies are not simple like here the love story or something else, but the maturity level of Savit Chandra is totally different now. So Savit Chandra is the kind of person, even sometimes a mature director also cannot think some concepts. Because I had seen two of his movies, Infinity and Tapasvi, those two movies really enlighten most of the people when they see that short movies. We can understand the talent and caliber of Savit Chandra, how he is really thinking about a movie. Movie is not about following a girl, falling in love and for the lust or something like that. Movie making is a passion to enlighten the people with the thought and line of a director that may change course of the people sometimes. So this kind of passion is there with Savit Chandra here. So even you see that the film got ANR award also. Same time Ramanayadu award, Annapurna short film contest. It got Ramanayadu award too. And even the budget of the movie is about just only 1500 rupees. You can see small budget movies. So most of the people nowadays see that Pelli Chupli is a small budget movie or some other Happy Days. So like these movies are there, which are out of routine. But here routine out of routines we can say. So Infinity also one of the out of routine movies, and just he spent 1500 rupees and he got 80,000 cash prize. Understand? So this actually more than how many rates? How many rates? It's more than that. Okay, 70 or 100%. Of course, we can say more than 100. Like so, if it happens in the same industry, if one person spends 1 crore rupees, for example, how many crores? It is 80 crores budget. 80 crores you would get. If it is spent only 1 crore, it is about 80 crores. If he spent only 1,500, it is 80,000. When it is spent only 1 crore means it is 80 crores business. The same way, if his thoughts are really like that, definitely he would go ahead. And one more, it's small budget movies, a short movie, 7,000 rupees, which is with our versatile actor, writer, and one of the great personalities, Mr. Tanikala Bharani Garu, who acted in this with a single character. Really, I appreciate this work. I want to appreciate Savit Chandra with this work, where he had taken chance to give a dialogue to the pen, one pen. Actually, we can't imagine that pen can speak. A book can speak, a chair can speak, or some other all the instruments what the writer uses that can speak. So writer speaks with them, and writer it is imbibing into the character of his family members who lost in a travel to the pilgrimage, and then what happened over. So then how the writer, I mean to say, the character transmits into that life. Then what actually accompanied with the right pen and all these instruments, how they speak. Really, Tapasvi is one of the best. Even it gets many awards. I feel, viewers,
Yeah.
if you have possibility, definitely you watch this Tapasvi, a and a short movie of our Savit Chandra, who is upcoming director. and is going to direct a big movie also shortly. We wish Savit Chandra very all the best for his future endeavors. Definitely, we'll
Thank you.
see his on-screen movie, a big movie shortly.
Yes.
Right, Savit Chandra, welcome to BSP Voice with Bitla.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much for accepting the invitation to give your. I think it's first interview for me. Further, you'll give many interviews for many
you. Yes,
channels
sir.
and many others. Please,
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
please, can you continue the journey of your life, please?
Yeah. Actually, myself, I'm Savit Chandra. I'm from Vijayawada. I completed my graduation in PVP Siddhartha Engineering College in Vijayawada. 2016 passed out
Yeah,
in CSC branch. Basically, my target is to become a filmmaker. When I was in 8th class, I was targeting to be a filmmaker. When my teacher used to ask what you want to become in future, I used to say that I want to be a filmmaker.
yeah.
So after completion of my college, I had a team of two. We are a team of two. I and my friend Mohammed Amjad.
Oh,
He's actually a music composer for my films. Till date, I have completed 9 short films, but previous ones are not technically so good as Infinity and Tapasvi,
yeah.
because they were made with zero budget. To be frank, for that I got awards in my college and small functions I got. But these are my standing works which got renowned names from renowned people. For suppose
Yeah.
Barnigaru accepting my film is not a small thing for me to make. It gave me so much confidence that I should thank him. If I was the Arjuna in Kurukshetra, he is my Krishna.
Yeah.
He led me, and he did everything for me. We have shot the whole movie in his home only. At the peak time of Corona, he gave me permission to shoot
Okay.
in his house. No one will give, I think, because I think I literally admire him
Hmm.
because of his support towards for making a film. Basically, he won't do short films, but by my luck, he accepted this short film to do.
Okay, great, great. So, how did you approach the person actually? Before going to that, and what was your thought when you wanted to make movie? Yeah, at what age did you get this thought to enter the film industry?
Yeah, actually, when I was in 8th class onwards, I want to become a film director
Okay.
after completion of it. But I took it seriously after my graduation. To be frank, when I was making short films parallelly as a hobby,
Mm.
but I used to get awards in my college: first best prize, second best short film. I used to get awards, which boosted me. In 2017, I and my friend Amjad took a decision that we took a New Year resolution
Oh,
that we should get award this time from a renowned film industry people. We should get. At the time, coincidentally, Ramanaidu kept short film contest only that year.
okay. Uh,
We aimed that and we got it. Simple.
Great,
Uh,
great. So, what was your first short film, and what was the
yeah, I
inspiration? What was the
yeah,
inspiration to make the first short film?
yeah. Actually, when we were joining from intermediate to engineering gap, between we will have 4 5 months time now.
Okay.
At that time, Sujit Sain, the Saho director, made few short films at that time.
Okay. Yeah.
We used to see his short films. He's in Hyderabad. We are in Vijayawada.
Oh.
We used to see him, and my friend Chendu is my friend, and we had a small team at that time.
Okay.
Chendu has the camera, so he is the hero in the film.
Oh.
So we made that short film up to 6 months after starting 2013. When we started in 2012 October to 2013 beginning, we made it.
Okay.
At the time, I don't know the exact what are the technical aspects, what we should do for a short film. I don't know, but in my process, in my journey, I met another friend called Amjad for my
Hmm.
second short film, Life.
Okay.
He said me what are the major technical aspects and basics which we have to cover in
Okay.
film industry. So he said me, and then we proceeded, and we got second best short film in our college competition
Oh, great. Ah.
that year, 2013, I think, 2013.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, from there onwards, again, second and third years there was no competition in our college,
Mm.
uh, but I but I thought that we should get first prize before leaving this college. Uh, in 2016, they kept again the competition. Then I got the first place.
Oh, great. What was that?
After
What was the short movie title?
second one is Life. The first best
First
short
one,
film is Upar Hai Bhagwan.
Upar Hai Bhagwan. Okay. Okay. Ah.
Upar Hai Bhagwan.
Are there
Yeah,
on YouTube now?
yeah. Are there on YouTube, sir?
Okay. Okay. Very good. Ah. So then after finishing that, what was
That
yeah. 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 Please.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, you ask there, you come.
Yeah. What what was the journey there actually in from Vijayawada to Hyderabad? So most of the people are in Hyderabad itself, Film Nagar, right?
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
who actually who had given that suggestion to come to Hyderabad and search and meeting the people?
Exactly.
Mm.
Basically, my grandfather used to not support me when I want to travel to film industry,
Yeah.
because actually he is a retired Telugu professor
Oh,
in Vijayawada,
great.
and he want to actually he acted in 4 5 films. Bhuvana Vijayam called Sri Krishna Devarayal Natakam. He
Yes.
used to enact in that. He used to say me that film industry is not right to go. He acted in 4 5 films as
Yeah.
well previously, but due to the government job he left it.
Mm.
uh, but uh, but when my grandfather did not encourage me, my aunt and uncle who stay in Hyderabad, they supported me a lot.
Oh.
You come to till date also, I'm staying with them only. They are
Mm.
supporting me. Both. So
Yes.
because of them, I got a stand to I got a land to stand on
Okay.
it
Yeah. That's what. Okay.
to achieve
Mm.
my dream.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
So
I should
your
should
grandfather encouraging now. He is encouraging now.
No, no. Actually, 2017 he left us.
Okay.
2017 ending.
His
After
blessings.
completion of Ramanaidu contest. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
After winning of Ramanaidu contest, he got a confidence that.
Oh.
Actually, by representing AP state government, we went to a function in Haryana,
Mm.
Harmony,
Mm.
2017.
Yeah.
We presented our short film there.
Hmm.
By returning back, he is no more. He set me in phone that you will become a big director one day.
That
He said.
yeah, seeing that definitely. I had seen that right, two short movies. I felt the same. Of course, definitely your grandfather's blessings would be there, right
Yes,
from the
exactly.
sky, no problem. Right. So generally, people think that when you debut, definitely there should be a love story, following a girl or somewhat lust kind of movies. So why you have
Okay.
planned this kind of right artistic and inspiring, enlightening kind of short films?
Actually, if I make a short film, when I become a mainstream film director, when I'm targeting feature films, I won't have much freedom to make what I like.
Yes, yes,
What experiment I want to make, I can make in short films only.
yes.
End of.
You can prove that.
So, I want to showcase these types of films because I have seen that many people have not make such type of films. So I decided that no one is making no. So either we should make it big, either we should make it new, either we should make it different. That's the option, so I
Oh,
chose it.
yeah, yeah. What is the reason that taking the character of Tapasvi only or Tarikalna Bharani, sir?
Yeah, actually the title speaks it all, because the title has a charisma and aura. In our
Oh,
industry, Tanikala Bharani garu has that charisma and aura.
yes, yes.
So I did not selected him, the script only selected him.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. What is Infinity when you got award, Ramanayudu Award? Actually, what was the reason that you feel? What was the reason that you feel it got Ramanayudu Award?
Yeah, actually, we targeted at because I basically believe in power of subconscious mind, law of
Oh,
attraction. I believe.
yeah, yes, yes.
Uh, Actually, they kept 1 week workshop according to filmmaking, based
Hmm.
on filmmaking.
Okay.
So when I was sitting there was a board that 2017 short film contest. They kept a board. By seeing that board, I got fixed that this is my award this year. I got, I fixed. When I'm watching and when I'm making the film, but I thought one thing, because it is a Ramanaidu and renowned production company in film industry.
Yes.
Many people will keep many more budgets and they will take more locations and they will take more characters.
Hmm.
While the jury is playing the film, I want to see my film as a unique film.
Yes, yes.
So I went in reverse order. So I made the film in single location. I choose a
Yeah.
single person.
Yes.
Without no dialogue, I want to present my film.
Yes.
So when they are seeing the bunch of films, obviously my film will be stand out according to the selection what I made,
Okay.
according to the film.
Yes.
But additionally, I got first best screenplay award for that,
Yes.
which
Yeah.
I felt.
Screenplay is fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
I got so I felt very happy when I got for my writing when I got award,
Oh.
rather than best
Best.
rather than getting best short film. Yeah.
Okay. Currently, you're working on Kavi Samrat. Kavi
Kavi
Samrat,
Samrat.
yeah, Kavi Samrat is K. Vishwanath. Is it about K. Vishwanath story or you're going to Kavi Samrat Vishwanath Satyanarayana?
Vishwanath Sachinarayana sir.
Yeah, Vishwanath Satyanarayana garu.
Vishwanath
So,
Sachinarayana.
so you're going to make movie on him, or you have taken
Mhm.
only the title Kavi Samrat?
No, sir. We are making actually it's a mini biopic of Vasana
Vishwanath.
Satyanarayana garu.
Okay.
Satyanarayana garu, because when I studied that character, I thought that he is Arjun Reddy
Oh.
of that time.
Huh.
In one word, means that arrogance and that attitude,
Okay.
which these means actually we people mainly concentrate on literature and languages on many other states and other people, but
Okay.
our Telugu naturally we have more than enough knowledge in our bank. Uh,
Oh, right. Oh.
Once if we check our records and if we go back, we have tremendous information. So
Okay.
I got much interested on this character importantly. So LB Sriram garu is acting on that film.
Okay. As Kavi Samrat.
Kavita
So, yeah, yeah. Who is acting as Kavi Samrat in this?
LB Sriram garu. LB
Okay,
Sriram
LB
garu.
Sram sir is also writer indeed.
Yeah.
He's also writer and
Yeah,
actor.
he's a writer and actor. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly,
So
sir.
you are why are you choosing that? Why are you choosing that? Writer come actors. Okay,
It's
Tanikala
actually
Barniga,
going.
Tanikala Barnigaru writer come actor, and LB Sriram
Yeah,
Garu writer come actor. So why you are
yeah,
why you are choosing that kind of people and to your
uh,
movies?
that's I should say I am blessed to work with them, because if I act with an actor,
Hmm.
I may know about acting only. But if
Yeah.
a writer come actor, they can give inputs also to me. This you
Yeah.
can make, this you can make, this in their experience, because there are big legends in film industry.
Yeah.
They can share my experience while I am working with them.
Okay.
So by that, by communicating with them, obviously my knowledge will also improve, no, sir.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. When you meet better than your knowledge, definitely you'll
Exactly,
get at least 1 or 2% from them,
exactly,
right?
exactly,
So,
sir.
what was the advice did you get from Tanikala Barni garu?
He said, "Be confident."
Mm,
That's it.
that's it.
Uh, be
From LB Sriram sir.
Actually, he said about some these things. He's said about the mannerisms and characterizations which I have to write.
Mm,
Uh, because he is a comic writer previously, he know how
okay,
to write characterizations. That's all. So he said me. He
okay.
said me.
I had seen recently your picture that one with K. Vishwanath sir. So, is there any
Okay.
plan that future right making movie on K. Vishwanath sir?
No, sir. No, sir. He's Kala Tapasvi. How can I go to him?
Kala Tapasvi, yes,
Just,
yes.
just by lucky, by God's grace, I met him for 3.5 hours and I have spoken with him.
Yeah.
Actually, he appreciated me as well, according my thought process and these all.
What inputs
Uh,
they had given for your betterment of your direction skills?
how many people will give you suggestions, but make what you love and what you are passionate about. This is the overall context of 3 hours discussion.
Oh, that's it.
Uh,
What your heart beats for, go for it and do
yes,
it
go
and
for it.
put your efforts 100%.
Exactly, exactly.
So I think you had met one more director, maybe Vinayak also.
Very nice, sir. Yeah.
So what was the reason that one poster is released? What for it is?
Actually, previously I made a short film called OCD before
Hmm.
Tapasvi.
Okay.
Actually, when I met a producer in future,
Hmm.
he will check me in all aspects that where I am strong.
Hmm.
So for OCD short film, I targeted on promoting a film.
Okay. Okay.
So I had 6 characters in film and one day teaser.
Oh.
So I met 6 personalities in film industries and I made 6 poster releases with one of them.
Okay.
In process, I met V Vinayak garu, Sukumar garu, Raj Kandukuri garu, Tamareddy Bharatwaj garu,
Yeah.
Nandini
Yeah.
Reddy
Yeah. Tamaradi
uh,
Bradwaj garu.
garu.
Really great
Yeah,
stream of directors. Really, the directors, whomever you met, even Tanikala Barni sir also director. He
exactly,
had
exactly.
actually directed some movies, I think. So
Exactly,
you already the directors whom you met, they are really legendaries, right? You
exactly, sir.
know, in
By
a
God's grace.
yeah.
Yeah.
So how did you feel actually meeting those people? It is really very difficult to meet such kind of directors. Even how you felt it and what the opportunity did you get like that?
Literally, butterflies in my stomach and confidence in my heart. That's it.
Yes, 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 yeah.
Means I got a belief that I'm going to make something in future, which is driving me tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Each and every day we will learn
Definitely, definitely.
anything, no, sir.
Learn that's compulsory. Learn from every person, even right mediocre or extraordinary, no
Exactly,
matter at all. So definitely one day it
exactly.
comes to us. The next project is right this one,
Kavi Samrat, sir.
Kavi Samrat.
Yes, sir.
So actually the concept itself is really critical. Even the big directors like Rajamouli or any of Raghavendra Rao also really afraid of taking Kavi Samrat, K. Vishwanath Satyanarayan. because how did you get that actually idea to go for such a legendary personality who got a Gyanpith award for this also?
Exactly, sir.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
Actually, LB Garu gave me some names when I want to direct him. He gave me some names and he told to select.
Hmm.
Previously, 20 years back, my grandfather made a research on Vesana Sachinaran garu.
Okay, okay.
To be frank, I don't know about him anything at the
Yeah.
time.
Hmm.
But I thought that the name is something interesting. I want to take it because I have heard that name many times in my home.
Yeah.
So I took, and my grandfather's book is there in my home, research PhD
Oh,
on Vesna Sachinaran garu.
right. Very great. Huh?
So that helped me a lot to gather information. But when I'm traveling with the character, I loved the character.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Everyone has to know the characterization, means in ups and downs how we have to be, how we have to deal a situation.
I think Vishwambara is written by him. Vishwambara.
No,
Vishwambara.
exactly,
Yeah. Yeah.
exactly.
Hmm. So biopic actually it needs at least 2 hours, 2 hours minimum. But how are you
Okay.
going to convince the audience making this movie within 20 minutes, or of course short movies? When
Actually, we are making this film in 1 hour.
okay, okay, 1 hour.
1 hour film. 1 hour film. We are making it,
Okay,
and we are releasing directly on YouTube because it should
okay,
be accessible to everyone,
yes.
right?
Hmm.
What we are making, but post Kavi Samrat, I will try for feature films.
Yeah, that's good. That's what biopics actually it should be very lengthy, right?
Exactly, sir.
But you are really adventurous. It is adventurous to make
Yeah,
on this actually personality within 1 hour. How you convince the audience, taking his
exactly,
complete right efforts and his literary kind of skills, whatever
exactly.
he had written, that Telugu poetry maybe or any kind of Jnanpith kind of
Award.
awards.
Yes.
So
Actually,
how do you take this to the audience?
yeah. Actually, in each and every person, we have our own biopics, sir.
Mm.
You yourself and myself, everyone has our own biography
Yeah, yeah,
to
yes,
tell,
yes,
because we travel through many emotions,
yes,
right?
yeah,
I because as a filmmaker and as a storyteller, I have to catch the right emotion,
yes.
which will convince the maximum range of audience.
Okay, right.
So I took a crunch of his film, of his life, a major episode of his life,
Mm.
and I'm dealing that episode previously. And
Yeah,
the means Vishwanath Sachinaran garu thought that this is my sole purpose. He thought
yes,
that I will reveal in the film
yeah, yeah.
what is about.
What is soul
Uh,
indeed, and you are going
uh,
to depict and show that even Jnanpith Award,
yes, yes,
how
sir.
you received that? Okay,
How he got the
okay,
confidence, means according to me, in my travel I learned that the person who will have a confidence,
yes,
that person who lost should have overconfidence.
yes, yes, yes.
Overconfidence on him he should have, to be
Yeah,
frank, rather
that's
than,
yeah.
because that is necessary to sustain in a society.
Mm.
I saw the same emotion in Vishwanath Sachinaran garu character.
Mm.
He saw many ups and downs, because as a writer anyone should go to the up and downs, because without seeing life how can he write about life?
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not possible.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah. So,
So
what do you feel that okay, making biopics and this and of that, and in film industry, one mark will be there. If one director directs in this stream, so director is stamped like this only. This is kind of
exactly.
director. Vivek this kind of director. K. Vishwanath this kind of director. Raghavendra Rao this kind of director. Like this, don't you feel that there'll be a stamp on you that making this kind of movies artistic, you want to show that you are going to become K. Vishwanath of film industry next?
No, no, sir. Actually, many people ask me when I announce the Kavisama project,
Yeah.
what is your age and why are you making these kind of films? So many people ask me.
Yes, yes.
But I want to give that shock factor to everyone.
Hmm.
To my age, I want to make that a shock factor. When I
Yeah.
am 40 years or 50 years, I may make a love story. I'm a
Yeah.
filmmaker and I'm
Raghavendra Rao.
Raghavendra.
Heart is always
Exactly.
saying no. Yeah. Yes.
Because I want to give, because at the end of the day we have to engage people, sir.
Yes.
We have to, because I feel like every film have a right audience, but
Hmm.
as a filmmakers our responsibility is to take the film to them.
Okay.
No film is a flop film.
Yes. Yes.
Anyone or any other person will like a film, but
Yes.
definitely as a filmmaker and as a team of a film,
Hmm.
it's our responsibility to take the film to them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, I am a mainstream cinema lover. I like mainstream films very well. Telugu
Yes,
commercial
the
films, to be
commercial
frank.
films.
Mass
That's why I'm
masala
asking you.
commercial.
Yeah, I'm asking
Uh,
you that there will be stamp in the film industry.
no, no,
Okay,
no,
Vishwanath
no,
sir
no.
means the people have only one imagination.
Exactly, exactly,
Vinayak means only one imagination. Raghavendra Rao means only one imagination. So if
exactly.
at the beginning of your stage, if that stamp comes to you, how do you come out of that?
No, no. Actually, post Kavi Samrat, I want to means post Kavi Samrat, I'm planning for a film called Aims.
Hmm.
Aims means All India Magalla Sangham.
Oh, right. Great.
Uh, means one man who starts Magala Sangham and what he did with that.
Oh,
It's a out and out commercial entertainer.
oh, great.
Because I thought that this is a universal point, the conflict between genders.
Oh, yeah.
It will run in any way.
Yes.
So it will be more saleable film if I
Okay,
make a
okay.
big budget film. Actually, it will be budget up to 1 to 2 crores. It will be.
Hmm.
But according to marketing and planning, also I have a confidence that we can market that film in a perfect way.
Yes, yes, yeah, exactly. So Siddharth Engineering College is that Ram Gopal Varma studied the same college?
No, no, VR Siddhartha and PVP Siddhartha, two colleges are there. Ram
Okay.
Gopal Varma is VR. I am from PVP backside.
So both of you from Siddhartha. So
Siddhartha.
record breakers. Record
I want. I should break. Actually, he has broken everything.
already, yes, record
I
breakers.
should break.
Yeah,
I should break.
great. Actually, Vijayawada itself has power. The goddess Durga Devi power is there.
Devi. Exactly.
Definitely, it happens. So, whoever actually wishes to that. Um, so, you said that okay, you are out of your age and right stepped into other shoes and thought that how it would be like. So, who is
Exactly.
your favorite director?
Actually, I like three directors very much.
Hmm.
I take as my inspiration.
Uh,
Uh, Sukumar, A.R. Murugadas, and Puri Jagannath.
wow, superb. Different genres, different
Different,
different genres.
different genres. So these are because I am talking the contemporary people because their films are running presently in theaters.
Yes.
Actually, Sangeet and Srinivas Rao garu is my favorite director. If you
Hmm.
come to previous generation,
Hmm.
I like Shankaravarnam film very much in
Okay.
Viswanath Garu works.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, next, and means selectively, every director will have one best film, sir. To be frank, which
Definitely.
he have
The
made for his
lifetime. Yeah.
lifetime best film.
Yes.
So if you consider that everyone is my favorite director, if I see in that aspect, but according to current generation, I have to name three names. Means I will name
Yes.
Sukumar, Murugadas, and Puri.
Yeah, yeah. Different genres. Superb directors. Yeah.
Exactly, sir.
Without right, they don't compromise for the right making of the movie.
Exactly, sir.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay. So then, if chance is given to you to make a movie, who is your first hero?
As a debutant, I don't have a chance to select a particular hero.
If selection is given to you.
If for my debut film, I will go with an okay, medium image, a hero with a medium image,
Okay.
because
Okay.
I can't get stars in my first film. But my favorite actor is Junior NTR.
Oh, great, great. Yeah, superb actor indeed. Yes, fantastic.
So,
Yeah. So if chance is given, you want to make with the or with Junior NTR sir, right?
Junior NTR. It's my dream. Actually, I had written a script for him.
Um,
Means I want to make a film with Junior NTR, which will be like RRR, not like Simhadri. If I
okay.
want to make RRR, I have to have a long journey from
Yes.
Simhadri to RRR. I should travel. Right,
Okay.
according to my personal career, if I compare with Rajamouli sir's travel,
Yes. Yes.
I would want to make a film like RRR in such big span rather than a Simhadri type of film when I am debuting.
Okay. What's your opinion on RRR?
RRR, I think it will be marvelous and
It's superb
according
indeed. Yes. Mm.
exactly, it is a common emotion that Indians everyone will connect, I believe.
Yeah. Already Rajamouli sir has proven that with Bahubali.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So do you think that it's going to break the records of Bahubali once again?
Actually, I'm no one to say about that. No one to say about that. But I have one thought that it will reach up to this much.
Okay.
But I can't say in a public profile.
Yeah. Yeah. That's there. Yes. Of
Uh,
course. Because you are one of the directors to be directors.
to be direct.
Definitely. Yes. Surely that must be there. So who is your adorable person in your life?
Mm, in film industry or life?
Film industry. In film industry, who you adore much. So by seeing the person is like this.
Puri Jagannath.
Wow, Puri Jagannath.
Puri
Heroine
Jagannath.
actually, if you want, if you are given a chance to select heroine also, Who is
Okay.
your favorite heroine to be in
I
your
will choose each and every. I will choose every heroine because I'm a boy. I'm a man. Because I should like each and everyone, right? While I'm
It's
making.
okay, but chance is given to you. Okay, one producer has come to you, and your choice.
Kiara
Okay.
Advani.
Hmm?
Kiara Advani. Kiara
Kira
Advani.
Advani. Kira Advani. Is there any hit
Yeah.
movie of the girl?
Yeah, she made Bharatane Nenu. She was in hit.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
was.
It's Bharatanayan, one of the best movies. Yes, okay,
Yes.
Kira Advani. Right. Very good. One more thing. Is there any right plan of making a movie for national award?
Actually, I had a plan. I had a plan, sir. But when I get in remark, because when I get an image or mark, I can't experiment in the beginning stage of my career. To be
Yeah,
frank,
yeah. Definitely. Yes.
in short films are different. The
Yeah.
short films are different. But in feature films, when I'm making a film,
Hmm.
I can't experiment. To be frank, in the beginning stage of my life,
Yes. Yes.
in the career especially, I have not started my career as well now in film industry. To be frank.
Okay. What do you think that most of Malayali movies and Tamil movies only getting national awards? Why not to our Telugu movies?
Actually, sir, they are making the more films on realism, realistic content. But we Telugu people, market of Malayalam industry is also small, but
Yeah.
they are getting connected. People are getting connected.
Hmm.
These days, in running in theaters, I think OTTs are on. No, they came now. So
Hmm.
more experimental films may come. I think there
Yeah.
will be a chance to showcase different types of stories.
Yeah.
There will be more options.
So that's the reason. So just only we can see the Telugu movie had award right after 3, 4, 5 years of. But when we see Tamil and Malayalam, definitely every year one or the other field, like it may be music or it may be director
Yeah,
or
actually, Telugu film also will get awards in national awards.
hmm.
But what happened is we will not recognize those awards. To be frank, for Pelli Chuplu, Tarun Bhaskar got an award.
Okay, okay.
So Satamanam Bhavati got an award. That is also award. But we, as a Telugu audience, we doesn't consider the massive blockbusters with award.
Yes, yes, yes.
Exactly. Telugu
Yeah,
film
yeah.
also will get award, but we don't showcase as an that's a big thing for
Big
getting an award.
thing. Okay, okay, okay. Bigger directors and big movies.
Rather than rather
Yeah.
than getting a commercial blockbuster, it will get a collections of 40 to 50 crores.
Oh, yeah.
This will be fade out. An award will be fade out.
Definitely,
By
definitely.
seeing that collections.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So then, what's your next step after getting into this? And okay, this is a Kavi Samrat. After that,
Kavisam.
what are your projects to be? Whether you want to continue in short movies or you want to enter the feature movies, right?
Actually, I had only after post Kavi Samrat, I had only one idea left.
Yeah.
But I want to one short film idea left.
Mm.
I want to make that short film with an image actor who has an image,
Okay.
because mainstream hero, to be frank.
Yeah.
But so I kept aside that concept. So after becoming a director, I will convince my hero who acted in my film to make that short film once.
Okay.
Try to
So,
convince at least.
so from feature films to again, you want to come back to short movies to
One
make.
short film, that short film, because I think art form doesn't have any limitations, sir. We
Okay.
kept the limitations. We
Oh.
kept the limitations. This is short. This is big. This we should do. We should not do.
Okay.
This is art film. The divisions which are given by us, the art doesn't have any limitations and borders.
I had seen one short movie recently, which had got 150 international awards.
Okay. Okay.
So the screenplay is totally backwards. What's that
Okay.
experiment do you feel? What's that experiment do you feel indeed?
Yeah, actually, it's a technically brilliant film. I like that very much.
Hmm.
I think
Hello, Savit. Hello, Savit. Hello. Hello. Hello.
hello,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. Are you
Uh,
okay? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Please
I'm okay, sir.
continue, continue.
Yeah, actually, I like the film very much. The technical brilliance of that film,
Okay, yeah.
because we need more effort to make that film, such kind of films in
Right.
technicalities.
Yeah. So how this actually backward will work out in real life?
Means actually everything, if you plan perfectly, everything will get work, sir. I believe. Uh,
Definitely, yes, yes. The
Actually,
screenplay
it's
is
not the reverse. It's not reverse screenplay. To be frank,
okay.
it's not reverse screenplay.
Okay.
Screenplay differs from visual presentation of a film.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
exactly.
So have you seen that 150 awards which got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So right, really sometimes actually that kind of movies click well. Is it so? Technically, hello Savit, are you okay? Savit, hello, hello, hello. What happened?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, is it
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah, is it okay, sir? It's okay.
Right, right, yeah. I think net problem is with you or me.
I don't know, sir. I think I may have any problem.
So here it is right actually. My Wi-Fi is right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's the reason. Okay. Then
Okay. Then, sorry.
uh, yeah, the movie is like okay, backward kind of screenplay, the stream of consciousness. Okay.
Exactly,
Do you
sir.
think of stream of consciousness movies like uh, getting into I mean to say background again coming into the reality like stream of consciousness?
Non-linear writing, we will call it.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I had few scripts regarding that film because the idea will choose what type of screenplay we should give to the film when we
Okay.
get the idea.
Hmm.
If, for example, Tapasvi, I took totally on dialogues only the film.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Yeah, sure, sure. Surely. Definitely, of course, Savit Chandra, I hope definitely you'll make the movie with NTR and all the big stars in the film
Thank you, thank you,
industry, and your
thank you,
life
sir.
will be superb, I feel, because the
Thank,
person who has passions definitely will reach the goals, surely.
thank,
Uh,
thank you.
I hope everything will be fruitful in your life and getting chances from different directors. Already you reached the greatest directors, and the journey
Thank you
will
very much.
continue. And you approach the best producers first of all. You meet
Exactly, sir.
the upcoming producers who are right very aspirant to produce, even any of your friends produce also. If you go through them,
Exactly,
also definitely the group of producers, I mean to say, it is not one producer. Like if your friends produce four members, like okay, it's also very good. Like Bahubali, all NRIs,
exactly,
all
exactly, sir.
NRIs came forward and produced four five
Exactly,
NRIs. Like that, if it is possible, definitely it's superb. Otherwise,
exactly, sir.
definitely I wish you all the best. Very
Thank
soon
you,
you
sir.
are going to get very good feature film opportunity, because your short movies are
Sure, sir.
such that kind of right screenplay. I never expected from a person at the age of 24 below 25 years of age. Your thoughts are really brilliant indeed. Your thoughts are brilliant. If people
Thank
like
you,
you
sir.
come into the industry as a director, definitely you will make some right useful and inspiring movies to the youth.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
today youth feels somewhat okay, this means this, okay, what movie means here, definitely there should be a girl, there should be love and this kind of, and interconnected with the right any message or inspiring kind of, because director has to direct the audience to move into right direction.
Exactly, sir.
That requires, I hope definitely you keep in your mind this concept also. And whatever
Sure,
the
sir.
movies,
Sure, sir.
because commercially hit is one thing, and through
Exactly.
our works one should not be spoiled.
Exactly,
The
sir.
concept is that okay, whatever
Exactly. We
we
should
do,
not disturb others. Exactly.
yeah, others should have right. Okay, Harishchandra means Harishchandra. Okay, like okay, K. Vishwanath means people would go to the movies. K. Vishwanath
Exactly,
means
sir.
okay, he would direct like this. Definitely is going to show. So,
Exactly.
so one brand is there too. Raghavendra Rao means okay, definitely it is entertainment, commercial entertainment. Definitely at last he gives some message. So this kind of,
Exactly.
so this kind of brand you have to get and go for 100 movies, say, right? Like
Sure, sir.
Raghavendra Rao and Dasar Narayan Rao, who
Sure,
hit
sir.
100 movies. Generally, cinema heroes only hit 100 movies. Definitely in future,
Exactly.
as a director also, you do many of movies like Dasar Narayan Rao Garu and Raghavendra Rao Garu. All the
Sure,
best,
sir.
Savit Chandra. Thank you very much
Sure, sir.
for
Sure, sir.
coming for
Sure, sir.
BSV Voice with Bitla.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Surely
Thank you, sir.
you are going to get brighter chances.
Sure. Thank you, sir.